Imagine a relationship where you feel completely heard, understood, and truly connected. Many of us think we're listening, but are we really? This video unpacks the subtle yet powerful ways we often miss what our loved ones are trying to communicate, and reveals the simple shifts that can transform your relationship from frustrating to fulfilling. Listen, my love. For most of my life, my heart whispered a question I couldn't quite name. A quiet longing, an ache for something I didn't yet understand. Then I found you. You didn't give me the answer. You are the answer. Loving you feels like my soul finally sighing in relief. Like every part of me has come home.